Boiler in loft, pros and cons. As you can currently see, I'm actually sitting in a loft with an unvented system that's been fitted to the area of which I'm sitting in at this moment. What I'm going to talk about on this video is about the pros and cons of having a boiler fitted or a system fitted within your loft. Commonly, boilers are installed within kitchens, hallways, or inside airing cupboards and other ground floor of a property. However, the boiler unit can be, for some people, unsightly and take up space, and therefore homeowners or yourself may wish to investigate if the boiler can be moved to the loft and completely out of sight. There are many advantages to having your heating system in a loft, one of which is space saving. It will give you more room when working with the rest of your property in order to work out what you're going to utilise your space for. The second is aesthetics. A lot of people would think that the boiler and the cylinder and unsightly pipework they may not want to see when they're opening their airing cupboard or wherever they have the boiler situated downstairs. So to get rid of that unsightly pipework, they can put the boiler and the cylinder, if it is a unvented or open vented system, into the loft area. The third reason that we would want our boiler system, or people would want their boiler system in the loft, is noise reduction. Boilers now only make a low humming sound comparatively to the boilers that used to be produced, but to some people this can still be considered something they do not want to hear. So moving the boiler to the loft area would remove all of those problems for yourself as the customer. So is a good option if you have the ability to be able to do that, but that is something that would be decided by yourself and the engineer when they come to visit you to give you a quote for the job.